The video cut out on me as I was picking it up, but this is our finished product right here. This is our finished product. Potatoes crispy. Asparagus still crunchy. Yes, sir. Let's cut into this steak. I gotta clean my, cause I only got one butter knife. I gotta go buy me a knife probably next month. But right now we're using the butter knife. Clean that off. Ugh. Clean that off. Cut into this old steak right here. Oh shit! Look at him. Let's see if we can cut into it. I should have did this. I should have did it like a medium. But let's see if we can. Hold on. Hold on. Don't fire me yet. Hold on. Let me cut it and then I'm coming right back to you. There's the finished product. I wish we had like some A1 steak sauce, but there's the finished product right there. And it's delicious. Look at that. The texture in there. It's decent to me. Like, you know, where I come from is, it's it's a meal fit for me. You know? Yeah. Now I got some packs of noodles, but I'm gonna wait. I want to cook me like a celebration dish, like something like give thanks to myself. I've been working hard. I deserve something. All right, now we're gonna get off here.